How to Start an Amazon FBA Business in 2025, full guide for UK, USA, AUS and KN. Animated Amazon logo plus world map showing UK, USA, AUS, KN. Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars a month selling on Amazon without ever touching the products themselves? In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to start your own Amazon FBA business in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. Whether you're in the UK, USA, Australia, or Canada, this step-by-step blueprint will walk you through everything you need to know. How to start Amazon FBA in 2025, no experience needed. What is Amazon FBA? Amazon Warehouse Animation, boxes labeled FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This means you sell the product and Amazon handles storage, shipping, and customer service. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need to ship anything yourself. Amazon does all the heavy lifting, literally. FBA equals Amazon stores plus ships your products, hands-off model, scalable business. This is one of the easiest ways to start a legitimate online business from anywhere in the world. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Success still requires strategy. Choose your product screen recordings of product research using Helium-10, Jungle Scout. Step 1. Find the right product. You want something lightweight, not easily breakable, and ideally under $50. Use tools like Helium-10 or Jungle Scout to spot winning products with high demand and low competition. Avoid electronics or highly regulated products. Look for products with 300+ sales month and less than 200 reviews. Check average rating. 4.2 or below is room for improvement. Don't chase trends. Find a product that solves a problem, something that people need, not just want. Understand your market map, showing UK, USA, AUS, KN Amazon platforms. Each marketplace is different. Amazon UK shoppers might prefer different product features compared to the USA. Australian and Canadian markets are newer and have less competition, which means more opportunity if you move fast. UK, advanced market, higher VAT rules. USA, huge demand, stricter compliance. AUS, lower competition, rising demand. CAN, smaller market, easier to launch. Do your research. Analyze customer reviews in your region to learn what buyers love and what they complain about. Find a supplier. Alibaba interface, supplier chats, product samples. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to find a manufacturer. Alibaba.com is your best friend. Reach out to multiple suppliers, compare prices, and always ask for samples. Ask for certifications, especially for UK, USA. Negotiate MOQ, minimum order quantity. Request private label options with your logo. This is where your brand begins. You're not just reselling, you're building something unique. Calculate your costs. Profit calculator, Amazon Seller Central, spreadsheet. Don't guess. Calculate. Factor in manufacturing, shipping, Amazon fees, VAT or GST, depending on your country, and ad costs. You need to know your break-even point. FBA Revenue Calculator, Amazon Tool, Keeper for pricing trends, currency conversion apps for AUS and KAN. If your profit margin is less than 30%, it may not be worth it. So choose wisely. List your product on Amazon, Amazon Seller, Central Dashboard, Product Listing, Creation. Now comes the fun part, listing your product. Write a keyword-rich title, detailed bullet points, and include high-quality images. Don't forget A+ content if you're brand registered. Keyword in title 5 bullet points, features plus benefits. Lifestyle images, reviews strategy, use follow-up emails or inserts. The better your listing, the more sales you get. It's that simple. Launch and promote Amazon PPC dashboard, sponsored product ads, TikTok/YouTube clips. To get sales, you need visibility. Start with Amazon PPC ads. Target low competition keywords. You can also promote your product on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube Shorts. Growth tactics, PPC campaigns with daily budget, TikTok organic content, discount launches, or coupons. Even one viral TikTok video can skyrocket your sales overnight. Don't underestimate social media in 2025. Scale your business. Multiple products, charts, showing revenue growth. Once you have one product making consistent sales, repeat the process. Launch product number 2, then number 3. Build a brand. Register your trademark. Join Amazon Brand Registry. Brand Registry equals unlock A+ content, plus store, expand into new marketplaces. Outsource tasks, VA, PPC manager, designers. Don't just be a seller, be a brand owner. That's how you create long-term income. Call to action, like, comment, share buttons, Amazon FBA images. Now, you know exactly how to start an Amazon FBA business in 2025, from scratch. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a free checklist to get started. Download your free FBA starter guide, link in description. Your Amazon FBA journey starts today. Are you ready to build the business of your dreams? I'll see you in the next video. 1. What is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's warehouses. Amazon handles storage, packaging, shipping, customer service, and returns, making it easier for entrepreneurs to run e-commerce businesses. 2. Why choose Amazon FBA in 2025? In 2025, the e-commerce landscape continues to grow rapidly. With more consumers shopping online, Amazon remains a top platform. FBA helps new sellers compete by providing logistics support and credibility through Prime eligibility. 3. Understanding the FBA model. FBA works like this. You source products, ship them to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and Amazon takes care of the rest. When a customer places an order, Amazon picks, packs, ships, and manages customer service for you. 4. Benefits of Amazon. FBA key advantages include Prime Badge access, fast delivery, Amazon's trusted customer service, scalability, and access to a global market. You focus on sales and strategy, while Amazon handles the operations. 5. Is FBA right for you? FBA is ideal if you're looking to build a hands-off business, don't want to manage shipping logistics, and want to scale fast. However, you must be ready to manage cash flow, competition, and ongoing fees. 6. Choosing the right marketplace. UK, USA, AUS, KAN. Depending on where you are located, choose the Amazon marketplace accordingly. Each has unique rules, consumer behavior, and tax implications. You can sell globally, but starting in your home region is often easiest. 7. Setting up your Amazon seller account. Visit sellercentral.amazon.com or your local version to register. Choose between an individual or professional account. Most FBA sellers start with a professional plan due to the lower per-sale fee. 8. Legal requirements and business setup. Register your business legally. In the UK, form a limited company. In the USA, consider an LLC. Get an EIN or VAT number depending on your region. Compliance builds trust and avoids legal trouble. 9. Understanding Amazon FBA fees. Amazon charges fees for storage, fulfillment, and selling. Familiarize yourself with the FBA revenue calculator to estimate profit margins. Track fees carefully to avoid losing money on each sale. 10. Product research, the foundation of success. Choose the right product by analyzing demand, competition, and profit margin. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to find winning products with low competition and strong potential. 11. What makes a good product? Ideal FBA products are lightweight, non-fragile, small-sized, priced between £15.50 or equivalent, and have consistent demand. Avoid seasonal products when starting. 12. Analyzing your competition. Check Amazon listings, read reviews, and evaluate ratings. Find gaps you can fill. Better quality, improved packaging, or bundle offers. Aim to differentiate your product. 13. Sourcing products from suppliers. Use platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, or Thomasnet to contact suppliers. Request samples before bulk orders. Compare pricing, quality, and shipping terms. 14. Negotiating with suppliers. Always negotiate MOQs, minimum order quantities, price per unit, and shipping costs. Build a relationship with your supplier. Professional communication leads to better deals. 15. Branding and private labeling. Create your own brand. This includes logo, custom packaging, and product inserts. Private labeling helps build customer loyalty and protects you from copycats.